Hello creative lovers, welcome back to my channel. Let's create with Anu. And in today's video I will show you how to make a paper lamp and a candle holder. So here are some materials required to make this video. So watch the video completely and you can play the video on double X mode so you can watch video without skipping and you can save your time also. So follow all the steps that I'm doing in this video. So friends, if you like to watch this video and you have learned something from this video, then please give this video a like, share it with your friends and family, and also subscribe to this channel for more such videos. Press the bell icon so that you can get the notification whenever I will upload a new video. Watch the complete video and enjoy the video. Thank you.